इस विजय संकल्प रैली के माध्यम से वह स्पष्ट संदेश दे रहा है कि त्रिपुरा भारतीय जनता पार्टी के नेतृत्व में आगे बढ़ चला है.
The elections in Tripura are round the corner and political parties are giving in their all to woo the voters. In the latest, Tripura Chief Minister Manik Saha held a door-to-door campaign in the state capital Agartala, taking the message of the government to the people ahead of the election scheduled on 16th February. The BJP is looking to retain power and win another term in the northeastern state. A series of central government projects and schemes have been implemented in the state for the benefit of the public. The people have availed the benefits of these schemes and we are hopeful that they will vote in favor of BJP again, Chief Minister Saha said during his campaign. Bharatiya Janata Party National President JP Nadda kick-started the party's poll campaign in Tripura by launching a Vijay Sankalp Yatra and 2 public rallies in the state on February 3, in addition to meeting the top leaders in the state to fine-tune the party's strategy for the upcoming elections. The BJP is likely to release its election manifesto for Tripura in the next week. Notably, BJP posted a stunning victory in Tripura in the 2018 assembly elections, when the left bastion Manik Sarkar, who held the government for over 2 decades, was replaced by Biplab Deb. And in May 2022, Manik Saha became the Chief Minister of Tripura. The party is all set to register another win in Tripura and has struck an alliance with its former ally, Indigenous Peoples Front of Tripura, which has fielded its candidates on 5 assembly seats, while the BJP has fielded its candidates on the remaining 55. Voting for the 60 assembly seats in the northeastern state will be held on February 16th and counting will be held on March 2nd along with Nagaland and Meghalaya.